If you see yourself, if you respect yourself a lot, you don't need validation from others. Even if no one is giving you if no one is cheering you up, you will still do the work, you will still do the things that you want, because if you respect yourself a lot, your perspective matters a lot. Okay, how you see yourself, how you respect yourself, that matters a lot. It matters a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. I would say how you see yourself. If nobody is around you giving you praises, nobody is तारीफ नहीं कर, no one is तारीफ doing तारीफ about yourself, no one is giving you validation. Everyone around you is just giving you advice, is just taunt दे रहे, just giving you taunt. It will not matter for you, because if you respect yourself, if your self esteem is high, if your self esteem is really high, you won't care about anyone's advice, because you believe in yourself. You know, I will do it, I know all the things, how to do it, how can I achieve this thing. This is the most important part. This is the really important. If you see yourself, if you believe in yourself, if you respect yourself, if you share nothing negative about yourself, I think so that is the most important part. I would say this is the most important part. If you don't see yourself, if you don't speak any kind of negative things to yourself, you don't tell any negative thing about yourself, you never talk गाली about yourself, कि गाली नहीं दे रहे हो तुम अपने आप को कभी भी. You respect yourself a lot. If you do some hard things and without any motivation, without any dopamine, your today day is really bad, still you are doing the work, you will respect yourself a lot, and that matters a lot. Okay, this is the 90% game. Believing in yourself, respecting yourself, this is the 90% game. Okay, if everyone is around you against your thing, against what you are doing, if everyone is against you, you will still do the thing. No, you don't need any kind of validation. For example, I'm doing content creation. Okay, I'm not studying that much, I'm doing content creation. So if someone says don't do content creation वगैरह वगैरह, if someone says कि content creation मत कर, don't do content creation वगैरह वगैरह, सब इस if everybody is just just चिंता कर रहे मेरे बारे में कि मैं करूँगा कि नहीं करूँगा, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, बस everybody is just asking, and my parents just like उसने बस just डिप्लोमा खत्म किया है, उसने कुछ नहीं किया इतना कुछ खास. तो लोग बोलेंगे भाई उसको कुछ करवाओ, उसको जॉब वॉब करो, कुछ करो. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट देम, मुझे उनका कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा. आई वोंट केयर अबाउट देयर फीलिंग्स, देयर ओपिनियन, बिकॉज आई बिलीव इन माई सेल्फ, आई रिस्पेक्ट माई सेल्फ अ लॉट, एंड आई विल स्टिल डू ऑल द थिंग्स that I'm doing. For example, in 2024 when I started gym, everyone is around me just saying that you will leave the gym, you won't lose the weight, that much amount of weight. And after some time when I lose 30 kgs, everyone is around just saying, bye, you are not looking that great, you were good looking before. Good looking 90 kg, इतना बड़ा फैट, इतना मुंह करके मैं घूम रहा था, वो मुझे बोलते गुड लुकिंग, तू पहले था गुड लुकिंग. साले अगर तुम गुड लुकिंग में पहले होता तो तुम लोग मेरे को भाव नहीं देते. तब साले तुम टके का भाव नहीं दे रहे हो. मैं तुम्हारे साथ तभी बात नहीं कर रहा. आई वॉज नॉट टॉकिंग विथ यू एट दैट टाइम एंड नाउ यू आर गिविंग मी एडवाइस. आई वॉज लिटरली, मैंने जिंदगी में ऐसे लोग, मतलब एक आंटी मेरे यहाँ पे टेरेस पे रहती है, मैंने उसके साथ कभी जिंदगी में बात नहीं करी. वो मेरे को आके एडवाइस देती, तू भाई बहुत पतला हो गया. पर मेरे को पता है एवरीवन अराउंड मी जस्ट सेइंग नो ब्रो, यू आर नॉट लुकिंग गुड नाउ, यू आर नॉट लुकिंग गुड, यू आर लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा पतला दिख रहा है, यू आर लुकिंग रियली रियली स्किनी, यू आर लुकिंग गुड बिफोर. Everyone around is मतलब automatically everyone get against me, go against me. Everyone is just saying me, bro, no यार पहले अच्छा था, you were looking good before, this and that, you were looking good before, now you are looking very चंपू. But still I was really happy with myself. थोड़ा सा फर्क पड़ा. बट अभी अगर मैं फिर से ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करूंगा, मेरे आजू बाजू जितने भी लोग हैं सब मुझे बोलेंगे ये तो अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है, यू आर नॉट लुकिंग दैट ग्रेट, यू आर लुकिंग ग्रेट बिफोर. बट स्टिल आई डोंट केयर, बिकॉज आई रिस्पेक्ट माई सेल्फ अ लॉट. आई नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ. ओके, मैं ऐसे लोग भी यहाँ पे जिनके साथ मैंने बात भी नहीं करता, वो भी आके मुझे एडवाइस देंगे कि ब्रो यू आर लुकिंग गुड बिफोर. But still, I don't care about their thing. I will still do the thing that I want to do. I don't care about their feelings. I just care about my feelings because I believe in myself. How this comes? Because I respect myself a lot. Because I do the thing that is really hard. For example, I wake up at 7:30 a.m. I do abs. I do walking. I come home. I come home. I bath and I just got my work done. After that I do some, I eat I eat, I take 2 hours break, and again I just do my work again. And after that I go for a walk, and I make after walk I make two videos. One English this video, and second is self improvement video. To improve my English, I make this video, and after making two videos I will eat my pre workout, and I go to the gym for 2 hours. If you do this kind of hard things, what you think that मुझे मजा आ रहा है सब चीज़ों में, मुझे डोपामिन मिल रहा है, मज़ा आता है, बट नहीं आता मतलब इतना मज़ा जितना तुम्हें लग रहा है, बट स्टिल मुझे करना पड़ता है. कभी कभी ऐसे दिन होते हैं, देर आर सो मेनी डेज जहाँ पे देर इज जीरो मोटिवेशन, देर इज जीरो एनीथिंग, एवरीथिंग इज जीरो, जीरो डोपामिन, जीरो मोटिवेशन, जीरो इच्छा हो रही है उस काम को करने की. ओके, बट स्टिल आई हैव टू डू द थिंग दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड. Okay, do you think if I'm really feeling sad about something, I will skip my work, I will skip waking up early, I will skip my gym? No, I will do the thing. And this is how you build your respect. And after eating and going into gym and still doing the very intense workout, doing the sets, the exercise very heavy, those, and I lift very heavy and doing it very heavily, and your brain is just constantly against you. No bro, no, just do it 8, just do it 8, we don't need 2 more reps, but you still break your limit. No one is around you, no one is going to cheer up you, no one is cheering you, no one is around you, you are alone, but still you are doing those 2 reps. That is the most important part for the self respect of yourself. If you do these kind of things, you will build self respect. If you delay gratification, if you control on yourself, if you control on your lust, you will build a very respectful perspective again. If you will build very respectful, you will start respecting yourself. And if you start respecting yourself, slowly you will start believing in yourself. And if you believe in yourself, you won't care about anyone's opinion, anyone's feeling, anyone's advices. You won't care. You will do the things because you know about yourself. You know that you will do this thing anyhow. Okay, you know how to get out of this situation, because you believe in yourself. And because you are believing in yourself, you respect yourself first, then you believe in yourself. And how respecting yourself comes? Because you do the hard things that are required to do. Even if you are feeling demotivated, zero dopamine, still you are controlling on your lust, doing hard things day and night, controlling your lust, not doing the things that this generation is doing, watching porn, masturbating. If you are controlling on your masturbation, if you are controlling on your mind, if you are not doing masturbation, or if you are started to control your masturbation or lust, and you just you are just redirecting your energy towards your goals, you will build a very respectful person, respectful perspective of yourself. And slowly you will you will start believing yourself. And you won't care about how people are praising. If people are praising you, or people are not praising you, or people are against your opinion, against your thing, if everyone is saying no bro, don't do it, or people are not saying bro, if people know, if no one cares about you, if no one is just telling bhai tu aisa kyun ho gaya, still you will do it, man. Still you will do it because your feelings matters a lot. Your opinion about yourself matters a lot. When I lost 30 kgs, I don't care about people opinions. I just care about my opinion. If I'm feeling good about losing 30 kg, if everyone is against you, I don't care. I'm feeling very, very happy because I lost 30 kg. My 30 kg fat, I really become confident. My feelings matters a lot. If I'm satisfied about my results, that is the most important part. If I'm satisfied with my results, I don't care about anyone's opinion. If someone likes me or don't likes me, I don't care. I just care about my opinion. I just care about my results. I just love myself. If I love my results, I won't care about people. ओके, मैं 50 kg का हो जाता ना तो भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता मुझे, अगर मैं अपने आप को पसंद करता हूँ, मेरे को रिजल्ट्स पसंद आए, कि मेरे को अगर मेरे रिजल्ट्स पसंद आ गए, मेरे लिए बहुत है. आई वॉज 92 kg. मेरा रिजल्ट मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है. ठीक है, दैट्स इट.